It ended up going 40. You can see I went straight to 30, and on the third hole didn't quite get it. Ended up going to 40. Looks like it's going to clean up fine enough. It doesn't clean up here or there, but it's going to. Looking good. I'm going to take a couple more thousandths, but we might have to leave a little bit of that. Okay, it looks like it's getting most of it. It'll be good this time. That'll have to work. We can only take so much. We don't want to thin this thing out too much. So what are you doing, Tommy?
Cutting the hardened seats out on the F100.
Okay. So you put all new exhaust hardened seats in there?
Yeah, all new guides and hardened seats.
Okay. How much press fit does that hardened seat have?
About 5,000 to 6,000.
Now it won't beat out like the old one. You can run unleaded gas.
No, they're really hard.
And you're taking them down to a certain height?
Yeah, they're not adjustable, so they got to be at a specific height.
And you've got the other head done over here?
Yeah.
That looks really nice. Thanks, Tommy.